Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a funnel using System.io. If you don't know about System.io you can start completely free. So I've just brought up the plans just so you can see it is for $100 you can get unlimited contacts, which is amazing. So this works brilliantly if you're just starting out or whether you have a really big business with a lot of contacts. So here we go to the dashboard. So once you've logged in, you can click on funnels. You can click create. And I'm just going to say my sales funnel. And we have these options of build an audience, sell a product, custom or run an evergreen webinar. I'm just going to do build an audience. And then you can change as well your currency. So yeah, whether you're in the US or wherever. Then I'm going to click on my sales funnel. And from here, you've got all these options of already done for you templates. So there's quite a few to choose from. So I'm just going to go with this one and we can preview it. So I'm going to show you how you can have this either as a very simple sales funnel or like this one is a website. So it's got set up with a menu and everything. If we just select. And then we're going to click the edit button here. Now, if you want to simplify this, you can just delete the menu. You can delete whole sections as well. So that's the whole section here, but I want to leave the banner at the moment and we'll just get rid of all this. And it's starting to look a bit more simple. And then we could just get rid of all these sections. Now this is obviously looking a lot more simple and we can either do that with the join or we can add another opt-in form. So with the product you want to promote, just add it down here. Oops, that didn't quite go. There you go. And then you can also do, say, sign up for a course or whatever you want to do. So it can be very simple. Obviously, different colors and everything. So just choosing one and editing it to sort of have a bit more of a cohesive design would be good. And then you can just preview it like this. And that's basically how to make a sales funnel. Very easy. And you just set up to whatever your buttons want to do, whether you want to do the next step on the funnel or you want to send the user to a custom URL. I hope you have found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave any comments below and please like and subscribe because it will really help out my channel.